Happy Monday from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have amazing, beautiful 25 degrees morning here, 10:15, expecting 28 degrees today, and of course peace, hopefully. Just a little breeze and hopefully lots of smiles. And lots of happy people who can enjoy this beauty here. Let's see, I'll take you a little bit closer. This is Playa Martianes, famous for surfers here. We can see something special. There are segments on that statue and they are cleaning them and getting them ready. So I'm really glad after some time we can see the segments moving again. Nice.
Yo me las he puesto porque salgo con los ojos, mira.